I've been trading Forex for more than 10 years. In the day, I deposit $100, and after 1 hour, that's gone. I got $0. And the next day, I deposit again and lost again. And finally here, I get money from there.
Hi guys, welcome to another TFT interview. I've got Rame here today with another payout for you guys. So before we get into the interview, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Alrighty, Rame. So let everybody know kind of where you're from, what your name is, and what got you into trading.
Hello, my name is Rame from Indonesia. I finally get TFT, my hobby, finally. The best in TFT is I get my payout. That make me very, very comfortable and make me very, very happy.
So how did you get into trading? What got you into the Forex market?
I've been trading Forex for more than 10 years, actually.
Okay.
All traders, I think they have cycles like deposit, withdrawal. But for me, finally, I get lost, totally lost. So that I try to study a lot of strategy, a lot of ebook I read, and a lot of group in Facebook. And finally, the Facebook group found that there are program. So I joined program, and finally here I get money from there.
I see. Okay, so you're probably the second or the third person that has kind of found a strategy or trading through a Facebook group. So that's pretty neat.
Oh yes, I saw Facebook is Prop Trade Club, my Forex fund, FTMO, and other prop firm that describe a lot of prop firm right now, like TFT, my fundedness, my funded FX, FTMO, my Forex fund, and other. But I think TFT is the best because TFT have like drawdown that I think is the best from the FT.
I'm really glad to hear that. Okay, thank you, Rame. I would say the next question I have for you is, what is your style of trading? So are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader or a scalper?
I start with scalping from the first I trading, but in the day I deposit $100, and after 1 hour, that's gone. I got $0. And the next day I deposit again and lost again. That cycles that repeat again. Some of my friend, the trader, has suggest for me, you should try day trader or long-term trader. I think style of scalping, or I think trading in 1 minute along is, I think, couple hours is my style.
Okay, great. Excellent. Very cool. And now, do you trade stocks or futures or options or only Forex?
Oh, I tried all of them. But in prop firm, I finally that Dow Jones or US 13 is the best to pass the challenge.
Okay, great. Very good. Now, do you look at multiple pairs or do you usually just trade one pair?
I think first I trading a lot of pair, but in this past of month, I just trade in Dow Jones, only one pair.
Okay. Very cool. And now whenever you get ready to place your trades, what is kind of an idea of the strategy that you use, or just like an overview of it?
In the morning, I will open the daily effect. I will see the economic calendar if there is some news that have a big impact or not. And then I will open my chart and see from the big time frame, from monthly and then daily and then weekly and then, from weekly, daily, and then until in the 1 minute. And I will see if there is opportunity to entry. If there are not opportunity, then I will not trade like that.
Okay. And whenever you place your trades, is it usually in the 1 minute time frame that you place your trades?
Yes. I will like to entry my position in 1 minute.
Okay, great. Very cool. Now, how do you handle losses and wins? Kind of what's your psychology? Do you have a hard time taking losses? Are you good at it now? What's your kind of idea of taking losses and taking the wins?
Yes, in trading, it is always have two results, that is profit and loss. So when we start trading, we must accept that condition. There are no strategy that will get always profit. No one. I think there is no holy grail like that. So in the first entry position, I will start with my heart that this, I hope that will profit. But I will prepare if there loss, then I will accept it. Just like that.
Yeah. Okay, great. So you don't have an issue with kind of revenge trading or getting upset. You just completely will take the losses and you're like, this is part of it.
Yes, that ideally. But in the first I trade in the first year, and the second, I think that habit is my habit. Like revenge, like entry over trading, entry big lot, and that give me like pleasure. But I lost a lot of money, so I think that must stop. I will change my habit. I just trading in special strategy like that. Sorry.
I see. I see. Okay. Now, how was your journey learning your strategy? So did it take you very many years to master the strategy you have now? Or have you tried different ones? What was the journey of your strategy that you use?
In the start trading, I just do moving average. The
Okay.
mentor said that when to moving average cross, you just entry. And after moving average cross again, you should exit. But that nonsense. That's not like that simple. I lost my money
Right.
in the strategy.
Oh, okay.
So I start ask some other mentor. They give us strategy that what was again. So I think I will set the best strategy in the world in the website. So I download some of ebook that they not secret trading, secret strategy. I read them, I tried them, but finally lost again. And then I try to join Facebook group. There are a lot of strategy that share freely. I will look if is opportunity of profit. I will try.
Okay.
But the last I just Ichimoku that from Japan. I tried it for 2 years, and that year I get my first prize in the commodity trading. I got number one,
Okay.
and the price is some $1,000 and that laptop. But that's the problem. That make me like, oh, this strategy is very very good. This strategy is always profit. Then someday, yes, you know, in the chat and then I lost all my account. That
Oh no.
that
Oh no.
but yes, it does give me some special information, some insight that there are no holy grail in trading. So we must take care of equity by manage our volume of trading. Then we must, I think we should get a strategy that very, very good to us, not just like see other get profit that we will follow them. I don't think so. We must get our strategy. Tori.
Okay, very fair. So this seems like you had quite a journey then. So you started with one strategy and you're thinking, okay, this is going to be it. And you weren't successful. You tried another strategy. It seemed like it was working and you got really confident and then you took some big losses. So now you're at the strategy you have now. Okay, so that's very good. I'm glad to hear it. And that's a very similar story that a lot of our traders do. They will try very many strategies until they finally come to one that's consistently profitable, but they know that they have to take the losses with the wins. But in the best case scenario, the wins are more than the losses. So, Rame, what is some advice that you have for new traders that were in the same position as you? They thought they could just use the moving averages and then things weren't working out, or they got really confident. So what's some advice that you have for new traders?
I think the traders should get a great mentor because mentor they have a lot of journey about a lot of strategy, a lot of information about trading history and other. So I hope the new trader will not repeat my journey. Get a lot of loss of money,
Yeah.
sadness. Yes, that very very make me depression. Is that? I think a lot of traders will not follow my suggestion about my advice. They will try. They will find a holy grail in strategy.
Yeah, you're right. But that's excellent advice. And I don't think that many people that I've interviewed have given that advice. And I agree with you completely. When people ask me that are brand new to trading, where do I start? I always think the best way to go is with a mentor, someone that's already been there. They've done that. They've done the trial and error, the research. They can give you all the knowledge they have and get you right on the right track. So I agree with you completely on that one.
Yes.
Before we hop off, and thank you so much for your interview today, what is some kind of great things that you have? Oh, my light just went out. Oh, that's all right. That's a little bit dark in here. So to sign off, what is some things that you have experienced with TFT that you like the most?
The most with TFT is I get my first live account. I get my first buyout. I get money in my bank account because payout from TFT.
No, hey, that's a great answer. That's a great answer, Rame. Okay, well, thank you so much for doing this interview today. And guys, thank you for watching so much. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Alrighty, Rame, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, Tori. Bye.